Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're going to be talking about the Goothdurs Mini Travel Compact Windproof Umbrella. If you're in the market for the best Tote Umbrella Mini, then this might just be the product for you. Let's dive into the details. The Goothdurs Mini Travel Compact Windproof Umbrella is a game changer when it comes to compact umbrellas. Measuring at only 6.7 inches in length and weighing just 8 ounces, this umbrella opens up to form a large 37-inch canopy. It's not your average mini umbrella, as it fits perfectly in your handbag, satchel, tote, or even your pocket. One of the standout features of this umbrella is its upgraded windproof design. With 8 reinforced fiberglass ribs, a sturdy all-metal frame, and shaft, this umbrella is highly wind-resistant and can withstand storms and harsh outdoor conditions. It can withstand winds up to 60 miles per hour, providing you with security even in bad weather. The canopy of this purse umbrella is made of high-density 210T Teflon material, making it waterproof and quick-drying. The waterproof technology ensures that water won't soak through but instead beads up and bounces off, preventing leakage. Additionally, this umbrella provides 95% UV protection with an extra layer added to provide UPF 50+ protection, blocking 95% of UV rays. This extra layer of UV protection helps to reduce your somatosensory temperature when you are under the umbrella, keeping you cool. Now let's take a look at what customers are saying about the Goothdurs Mini Travel Compact Windproof Umbrella. Many customers appreciate the compact size of the umbrella, its appearance, and its performance. However, some have reported issues with durability, quality, stability, and ease of opening and closing. It's important to consider all aspects before making a purchase. In conclusion, the Goothdurs Mini Travel Compact Windproof Umbrella is a great option for those looking for a small, lightweight, and portable umbrella. Its windproof and waterproof features, along with the UV protection, make it a versatile choice for both rainy and sunny days. That's all for today's review on the Goothdurs Mini Travel Compact Windproof Umbrella. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.